Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning, all of you. So, last session, I give the summary what we discussed in the last session. Okay, fine. Last session, we discussed about last session we started about the strings, right? What is string and how many ways you can create the string. Okay, string is the uh, like predefined class which is used to store the group of objects, group of characters. Normally, character it can carry only single character. But if you want to store the group of characters, then there is a string. String is what? String is the non-primitive data type. String is the non-primitive data type, and string is the predefined class which is available in Java.lang package, and which is used to store the group of characters. Okay, group of characters. And next we discussed about how many ways you can create the string. There are actually three ways. I can open that document we discussed in the last session. Yeah. So this is the PDF which I shared in the last session. And how many ways you can create the string? There are three ways to create the string. First one is using literal approach. Literal approach means generally you can assign the value directly to the string. It's called literal approach. Second one is by using new operator. Already we discussed about the new operator in the operators function. And here also we are creating the string. There is a second way by using new operator approach. New operator approach. Next, third approach is converting character arrays into string. Normally, characters array means normally how you can declare array data type, single square braces and variable name, right? But here character array meaning the data type here itself they are saying char. So simply you can take the char data type and single square braces and variable name equal to here directly can uh, in case of characters would be in single quotation. For example, like this. Okay, this is what? This is character array. Character array. And this I want to convert into the string. So then how you can convert? Normally you can create the object for the string. String s equal to new string, and here we can pass as a parameter for that object. So that's it. This is the third way to convert character array into string. There are three ways to create the string, guys. What are the three ways? First one is the literal approach, and this is the direct approach. And the second one is the by using new operator approach. And third one is converting character arrays into string. Converting character arrays into string. And this is the character array, and where actually these all the characters. This again I am passing as a parameter to the string. These are the three ways. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you guys are clear, which means how the JVM is allocating the memory for each case. Okay, how JVM will allocate the memory for each case with respect to literal approach, with respect to new operator approach, with respect to character approach. With I would say there are three ways. I hope you guys are clear how the JVM will treat in each case with respect to literal approach, with respect to new operator approach, and with respect to character approach. This is clear, right? Okay. Three ways to create the string. Now, string have two siblings. One is the string buffer, and second one is the string builder. So you know like how you can handle the string, then you can easily able to handle the string buffer and string builder as well. So there are only the little difference between them. I will tell you what are the differences between buffer and builder, and before that we'll try to understand. So you guys already clear with how many ways you can create the string. So after creating the string, by default string is immutable, meaning that we cannot change the value. But we can change the value by using predefined methods. So what are the predefined methods? How could we know like what are the predefined methods? So any person, if they are working in the Java domain, they should come to the document that is the JDK team they provided to us, that is this document platform talks Oracle, and go to the predefined class, that is string class, which is available in the java.lang package. Java.lang package. This is java.lang package, and I am going down. There are so many predefined classes and all. We are discussing about the string class. So simply I am landing over string class. I am going inside. String is the predefined class. No, this is having predefined methods. If I scroll down, see here, these all predefined methods are available. Here the thing is, string is by default is immutable, meaning the value will not be changed. Okay, but that values, string values you can change by using predefined methods only. So sometimes based on the requirement, we can do the string manipulations. So that we can do by using predefined methods. So what are the predefined methods available and where we can check? This is the document which I already shared with you. And every person whoever is working in the Java domain, so they should come to this document and they have to refer, and then only they can implement the projects. Now, string is also predefined class and it is also having the predefined methods. Now the next heading is string manipulations. By default, string is immutable, but we can do the manipulations by using string manipulations. Next heading is string manipulations. String manipulations. Manipulations meaning we need to modify the string values. For example, if I create the string s equal to something, I would like to give some Java. Okay, this is the string value, right? By default, this is immutable. I want to change, I want to modify this value. If you want to modify this value, then there are predefined methods are available. If you go down, these all are the predefined methods. I would say isEmpty method, length method, and caret method, to caret method, lowercase method, uppercase method. These all the methods. For example, I will go with the length method. So length method meaning, if you see, if you read this one, these all are predefined one. Okay, their method names and method purpose already available here. So no need to by heart this one. So simply you can go to the document, and whatever the predefined class will be there, simply go to the document and then you have to, this is the method name and this is the purpose. If you see, you guys can you please read this one? What is this? Returns the length of the string. Returns the length of the string. Now coming to here, length of the string meaning So it will tell to us how many characters are available in the string. How many characters are available in the string? How you can know that one? There is a method, string method, s dot length method. Length method, this is the thing. So first method is length method, uh, which is used to, which will return the how many characters present in the string. Present in the string. This is clear. What is the purpose of length method? Which will return how many characters present in the string. So the same, I can use the length method and then I can write a program and then we'll see how it is working and all. Okay. Where I would take, there is a folder which we created for the Java. This is the folder. Now here I would like to create a one more class, text document, and here I do uh, string manipulations is the class name I'm taking. The class name is your wish. You can take any name. Skeleton of program is you have to take the access specifier, class keyword, and class name, string manipulations, and this is the scope of class. Inside every program execution start from the main method. I'm taking the main method, public static void main, and string, I would say this is the variable name, and inside the main method uh, I want to create one string. String is the data type and s is the variable name, and here I would like to mention some Java. Okay, and there is a method, length method, which will return how many characters are present in the s dot length method, and it is returning what? Integer values. So I am storing in again one uh, variable. The variable name is result. This I want to print this one, like I would like system dot out dot println, and the result is yes. So make sure everything is matters, capitalization, okay, lowercase, uppercase, everything is matters. You have to check result, and this is also result. Method is the let method, and this is the println. Now this we can wherever the Java file is available, go to the file location. This is my file location, right? You need to open command prompt. So in my case, I am also opening the command prompt. Compile the file Java C, and the class name is string manipulations. String manipulation dot Java. String manipulation dot Java, and then check the compilation is done or not. Yes, compilation successfully done. Next, string manipulation. See how many characters it is written to us? Four characters. But when we are writing the program, no need to write two lines. You can write in single line also, so that you will get the by on experience. So no need to write the two lines. Okay, so instead of writing two lines, you can write in single line also. Single line is directly you can mention s dot length method. That's it. Okay. If you want to know uh, concatenation, you can do that one as well. The length of string is like this, and this you can mention in again within one. Save this one, and system dot out dot println. The length of string is s dot length method. So go to there and compile java string dot java and java. See here the length of string is 4. If you can take a number of characters also, I'm taking number of characters. Okay, I'm saving this one and simply you can come to here and then you can do compile java c and java. See here there are how many characters will be there? 27. 27. Okay, fine. This is okay. This is the length method. Next method we are going with concat method. Concat. If you see here, concat method means concat the specified string to the end of this string. So if you want to join the two strings, next method name is concat, and which is used to join the two strings. Joining the two strings. Joining the two strings. Now the thing is, for example, string s1 equal to I am taking some Java, and string s2 equal to I would like to take some script. Okay, now I want to join these two strings. Then there is a method, that is concat method. Concat method, simply how we can do that one. String also will be in the format of result, that you can take result equal to s1 dot concat method. S1 dot method name is concat. Concat s2. Are you guys clear with my statements? So simply I am doing the concatenation by using concat method. We need to remember this methods. No, simply go to the document. Everybody, whoever is, nobody cannot remember all these methods. All of them, whoever is working in the Java domain, so they have to come to the document. If you see here, there are number of packages, and every package contains number of classes and interfaces, and every again class contain number of predefined methods. Okay, so anybody whoever is working in IT industry in Java domain, so they have to come to this document and they have to refer this document, and everybody they can develop their projects. Okay, Sting, I would say same thing. I can write a program and then I will show you where I would go my yeah string manipulation, and you guys are clear length property. So once you are clear with this one, I am going with the concatenation. So this I am doing the comment, and this also I am doing the comment. Second one is concat method. Concat method. Okay. So here I am creating two strings. String s1 equal to Java, and string s2 equal to some script I am writing. I want to join these two strings. If I want to join these two strings, string something, I can write some result equal to s1 dot concat. Inside I can pass the s2, and I would take SOP system print statement system dot out dot println, and here we can write a concatenation. So here I would like to write a result. I am saving this one, and now I could run wherever the Java location file will be there. Go to there, open command prompt, compile the program Java C string manipulation dot Java, and Java string manipulations. You can see here I am doing the manipulation of not, meaning I am doing the concatenation of not. So there are in program there are in different lines. This is at a different line and this is at a different line. So I'm using this method, and then I'm doing the concatenation. meaning I am joining the two strings, length method, concat method, and there are other methods as well, uppercase, lowercase. For example, uppercase, lowercase, normal you can see. Uppercase is the method which is used to convert all characters in uppercase. All characters in uppercase. For example, if I would like to create the string like this, string something s1 equal to, so I will be mention all are in lowercase, like search, software, solutions. This is all will be in lowercase. This all characters I want to convert into uppercase. Then there is a method, uppercase method, s1 dot, and you can take the uppercase. Then all characters will be converted into uppercase. For example, there is here also can in the document also you can see. So there is a to uppercase method. So see, convert all of the characters in this string to uppercase using the rules of default local. I am going to the program and then we'll see concat method, and this is also I am doing the comment. If you want to comment multiple lines, then there is a command like this. Okay, okay, fine. Now the method is what? To uppercase method. To uppercase method, and I am coming to here, and here I would like to take string s1 equal to, I would like to take some all are in lowercase. Okay, these all characters I want to convert into uppercase. Then there is a method s1 dot toString, so that you can write in two lines or you can write in single line also. So I am going with the single line. So take system dot out dot println, and s1 dot, the method name is to uppercase method. To uppercase method, and for this we need to pass this one as the parameter. Okay, so I am saving this one, and I would go to command prompt, and here I need to compile the file, and so there is a to uppercase. Yeah, coming to here, uppercase is the method, and this I am converting it to the uppercase. Now Java C and Java. See here how the result is showing to you. All are in uppercase or what? So see, all are uppercase. Why? But in my case, I taken all are in lowercase. It is printing all are in uppercase. So like that, you can do the manipulations. And this is uppercase. And there is other methods like lowercase. I would say the method name is, this is to uppercase, and next one is to lowercase. What is the purpose of to lowercase? Which is used to convert all characters in lowercase. Convert all characters in lowercase. Lowercase. Okay, coming to here, I would like to take string s1 equal to some. Here I would like to take all are in uppercase. For example, React.js. See here, all characters in uppercase. These all characters I want to change to lowercase. Then there is a method to lowercase. Same scenario. Same scenario. Here I am changing. This is also I am doing the multi-line comment. So when you comment the multiple lines, compiler will skip those lines. Okay. So now we are discussing about two lowercase method, and coming to here, I'm taking string some s1 equal to React.js. React.js, all characters in uppercase, and there is a method system.out.println, and s1 dot lowercase, two lowercase, simply s1 dot two lowercase, two lowercase. I'm saving this one, and then you can go and compile the file java c string manipulation.java and java string manipulation. See here, in my program I taken all characters in uppercase, and there is a method to lowercase. The purpose of two lowercase method, it will convert all will be in lowercase. So expected value and actual value is the same or not? Yes. Okay, fine.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So why are you not passing the parameter over there?
Not clear. Your voice is not clear. Can
So
you
why are
speak?
you not passing the parameter?
Hmm?
Why are you not passing the parameter like S1 in the program?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Sir, why are you not?
You need to pass parameter, man. Already, uh, it is holding the value, and
Okay.
we are adding the method, and the method is doing the operation, right? Then why we need to pass the parameter?
Mm,
So this method
What?
is doing the operation on this method, this variable.
mm, Whether
Yeah. So these are the methods, and there are other methods as well that I also will see with that. There is other method also, that is actually I would go here. Mm, mm. There is two char array method that we'll see how it will happen, and two char array method. If you see the, it will convert string to new character array. For example, here next method is two char array method. This is what string. My requirement is this string value I want to convert into array. Array means how the values will be stored. Int character, and in that the values will be stored like this, right? S and u, like this I want to convert. Are you guys clear with my statement? So this is the string value. This string value I want to convert like this. The same thing. This is previous value, and after the I there is a methods, and methods do the manipulation. After the manipulation, the values will be converted to the uppercase, and with respect to lowercase, the values will be converted to the lowercase. Same way here also, this is in the string, and this I want to convert into the character array. Okay. So that how you can do that, I will show you the programmatically. This also I can do the comment. And next I would like to go with the string. I'm taking some h2 value, and here I can mention some such. Okay, fine. And this I want to change to characters. Then there is a method to char array method. And if you want to check with the method, go and then there is a document. So see, to char array method convert string to character array. Okay, s2 dot to char array method, and this will be in the format of AR, and the data type is char. The data type is char. Okay, now I want to print this one. If I want to print this one, we need to take the system.out.println, and here if you want to print in the character array, right, then we need to mention array dot, there is a class name that is array class, which is available in java.util package. Go to util package, and the package, go and then check the util packages. Where I would go upside, and there is a util package, java.util package, and there itself we have the classes, that is arrays. Arrays is the class. Arrays is the class. In that arrays class, we have the toString method. ToString method, which is used to print all the values in array type, in object format. ToString. There are 36 will be there. See here, ToString. See here, what is the purpose here? Can you please read all of it? Returns a string a representation of contents of a specified array. So here also I am using the arrays dot toString method. ToString method, and in this ToString method, where I would mention this variable name. This variable name I am passing here. Okay. I'm saving this one, and this is coming from java.util package, right? So in the class itself, you need to mention the import statement as well. Import statement, import, and this is coming from java.util package, util dot. This is what arrays class. Okay, I'm saving this one and simply can go to the location, command prompt, and you can compile the file java c string manipulation.java, and I am doing the compilation, and I am doing the version. See here, it is converted or not. Actually, this is the value, I take it as the input search. Okay, with the help of to char array method, I converted this whole string into character array. This is the result. This is the result. So like this, we can do the manipulations. Like this, we can do the manipulations by using predefined methods, where actually all the predefined methods are available in the document. So who provided that document to us? JDK team, they provided document to us. JDK team, they provided document to us. If I go with the and string class, java.lang package, go upside, there will be a package, java.lang package, and if you go outside, next there is a string class. This program is clear what I did actually. This I will tell you once again. String manipulations. So this is group of characters, right? So in this method, what it will do, this group of characters, it will split into characters, characters, and will be stored in the array format. Array format meaning, so all the values will be stored like this, like that is such, right? Yes, and like this, u and single quotations. It will be stored like this. Such. This is clear, no? Yes. But this format, if you want to print directly, you cannot print. So we need to use, there is a toString method. So it will, the toString is the method. It will return, it will return arrays. It will return the arrays. If you want to print the arrays, then you have to take the toString method, and with the help of toString method only, you can able to return the array values. So with the help of this method, it is converted into all characters in the array format. But if you want to print, you have to take the toString method. You have to take the toString method, then only it will print. Okay. So make sure toString method is also need to print the arrays. This is the all about two character method, and there is other methods as well. I'm coming down. These all are small methods like index of last index of, meaning simply you can tell the, so this is the string, right? This will be stored based on the index positions. This value will be stored at the index position 0, and this value will be, this character will be stored at the index position 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, string is also based will be store the characters based on the index position, and these all the methods like character index of meaning like index positions you can mention, and that value it will print. Those are the methods. Index of last index, those are the normal method. Is empty, like you can check the string is empty or not, you can check by using boolean method. These are the mostly used methods. Caret method. These are simply you can mention the index position. So based on that index position, you can get the values. You can get the values. There is one more method also, that is if you want to change the values, that you can do that one. Uh, there is a method that is replace method. Replace method. For example, here where that one. Uh, Replace is the method. You guys, can you please read this the purpose? Returns a string resulting from the replacing all occurrence of old char in this string with new character. For example, here what I would say, here the program for this replace method is, if you see here, there is a program hello world and they want to change world with Java. Then see here, there is a method. For example, next method is a replace method. Replace method. I'm taking string s equal to Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay. So see here, Hyderabad. This I want to change into. This is bad, right? This I want to change into good. This I want to change into good. So in that case, so there is a method, replace method. S dot replace method, replace method, and you can here you can mention double quotation bad with good, good. Okay, so like this you can do the manipulations as well. So here again I can change to result and the data type of it is string, and now I can take the print statement system dot out dot print ln. Here I would mention result. So what I did here, actually this is the string, right? This is the string. Hyderabad is the string. This bad I want to change into, meaning I want to replace old characters. These are the old characters with new characters. This is the new character and this is the old character. That kind of manipulation you can do by using replace method. Replace method. Okay. I am doing the replace. Now I would go to command prompt and then Java C string manipulation dot Java and Java. So see here, Hydra bad is changed to Hydra good. So like that you can perform operation on any string. Are you guys clear with my statements? So these are the major methods which we will use in the manipulations. Remaining all are caret. Uh, so those simply can mention the like the position index position, then you can get the values directly is empty. These are the small methods. So these are the we discussed about how many methods, two char method, and the next uppercase method, concat method. Next method we have replace method. Replace method. A replace method, it will replace with, it will replace old characters with old characters with new characters, old characters with new characters, new characters. Okay, so this is string s2 equal to, I'm taking Hyderabad, and this I want to replace s2 dot replace method. Inside I would mention bad, and here I could mention with good, with good. This is the replace method. This is the replace method. And there are other methods actually. Those are like coming to here. There is also split method. If you want to split two strings, then there is a method, split method. Split method. So that I will show you. For example, method. It will split the group of characters from the string, group of characters from the string. For example, here I can take string. I would mention some. We can take other word, for example, some Mysore palace. Okay, this Mysore palace I want to split into Mysore and palace. Okay, then there is a method, split method, s3 dot split method, and what you want to split. I want to split palace. I want to split palace. Okay, and you can print the values. Now you can print the values. So this I can write a programmatically, then I will show you. So Hyderabad is also okay. That is also very good. Now I am coming to here, and there is a method, split method. Now there is a method, split method. So string, I would like to mention some s3 equal to Mysore palace. Mysore palace, and this I want to split palace. s3 dot split up, and what I want to change, there is a palace, PALACE palace. Okay, now I want to print the value, how it is printing and all, we'll see. Mysore palace, and that again they are converting into one array, and the data type of this one is string. And if you want to retrieve the values one by one, then there is a concept, that is for each loop, and take the scope from here to here, and here you can mention for each loop string s equal to ar, and here you can take system.out.println, and here you can mention s. You can mention s. That is called split method. That is called what? Split method. Now go to the file location, and Java's string manipulation. We need to mention Java C command, string manipulation, and system.out.println. There is a spelling mistake. Go and then check with the program. System.out.println. Go to the document, system.out.println. Save the program and go and then do the compilation. Java C string manipulation.java, and Java string. See, Mysore is splitted or not? Yes, Mysore is splitted. These are the methods, guys. These are the methods regularly we use. String contains, we discussed about string contains, and compare to method also, comparison the two strings. For example, these are the small methods actually. Once you practice with them, then you can easily able to do that one. Compare to is the method which is used for comparison between the two strings. Comparison between two strings. Coming to here, for example, here I am taking s equal to some other place. I would like to take some such, and instead of such you can take other pad. and we can take with the string s2 equal to some good. So in this case, what happened? So it will compare first character of the string only. So what is the numeric value for the B? 2. And what is the numeric value for the G? G8, right? 7. Yeah, 7. So it will do the comparison and it will give the results to us. Okay. That is called comparison method, that I can write a program on it and then we'll see. Coming to here, I am doing string s1 equal to bad, and next one string s2 equal to good, and I want to do the comparison string. This is comparison, right? It will give always numbers. So int result equal to s1 dot compare to method name called compare to, and here you can mention s2, and that we can take the SOP statement system.out.println, system.out.println, and here you can mention result. Okay, I am saving this one, and you can go to there and then Java C string manipulation.java and then Java. Yeah, see -1. You are getting the values -1. Basically, 7 and 2, 2 to 7, so it is -5. If you take this is the big number and this is the lower number, then you will get the positive values. Positive values. Positive values. These are the regular methods. If you can see any other methods will be there. Caret method. If you see, these are the small programs. Caret method means. So see, there is a string called name, and if you want to know caret method, so simply str dot caret position 5. Position 5 meaning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This value will be printed. That's it. That is called caret method. It is and this is to caret method, and this is concat method, and this is string manipulations. I hope you guys are clear with these all the methods. We discussed about around 8 methods. Head method, concat method, two uppercase method, two lowercase method, next two char array method, next replace method, split method, and compare to method. Compare to method. You guys also have to do the practice and then you have to submit. These are the string methods, and there is a difference between string buffer and string builder. String buffer and string builder. This is by default immutable. Okay, this is by default immutable, but these two are by default mutable itself, and this is also mutable. Then again, there is a they are doing the same operation, meaning all are used to store the group of characters only. String purpose is to store the group of characters. String buffer also doing the same purpose to store the group of characters. String builder also, which is used to store the group of characters. Then again here this is immutable and these two are the mutable. Again there is a question in the interview. They both are mutable. Okay, then what is the difference again between them? The difference between them is this is the synchronized, 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 synchronized meaning it can allow. This is thread safe. It is thread safe. Again, what is thread safe? Thread safe meaning it can allow only one person to access the data at a time. But in case of string builder, it is not a synchronized, it is not synchronized, synchronized, and it is not thread safe. It is not thread safe. So simply you can come to the document also, you will have the clear difference where I would go the document, and if I go with the Java lang package and go to the string, see here string, and string have two siblings. What are the two siblings? Two siblings, string buffer and string builder. I want to know about string buffer. Simply can go to the string buffer document. String buffer document. So see here, this is what thread safe and mutable. Thread safe and mutable. And string builder meaning not thread safe and so see here, what is this? Can you please read this one? What is this? No guarantee of synchronization, meaning there is no synchronization. Both are mutable. Okay, both are mutable, but this is synchronized and this is not synchronized. Okay, these are the differences you have to familiar guys. I hope today's session is all about string manipulations. So last session we discussed about string. There are many ways to create the string, three ways, and that is the introduction to strings. And today's session is string manipulations. So how we can do the string manipulations by using two different methods. Will you remember these all the methods? No. Simply go to the document. There are already available methods, and what are the important methods will be there. We will try to understand those methods. Okay, these are the methods of using the string manipulations. This is clear, right? So once you guys are clear with the string session, so next we have the concepts. I can categorize OOPS in two parts. OOPS part 1 and OOPS part 2. In the part 1, what are the topics we have? First we can discuss class and object, and next we can discuss types of variables, and next we can discuss types of methods, next we can discuss types of constructors, next we can discuss types of access specifiers, and oops, in the oops part 2 we can discuss there are four principles: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. There are four principles. Once we are done with this, then our syllabus 60% will be completed. So remaining syllabus remaining 40%. Okay. So this is the thing. Oops part 1 and part 2. So today I can start with the introduction to oops. So next heading is introduction to oops. Introduction to oops. Introduction to oops. Actually before oops, in the market, so we have there are two types of languages in market. In market we have two types of languages. In market we have two types of languages, two types of programming languages. So first one is pop language, and second one is OOP language. So initially, so everybody in their project, everybody they use the pop language. So first we'll try to understand about pop language. Pop language meaning procedural procedural oriented language, oriented oriented programming language, programming language, programming language. So procedure oriented language. So if you go with the project to implement this language, and if you want to implement the project using pop language, we can implement using functions. We can implement we can implement the project using functions. Okay, and if you want to add if you want add if you want to add more functions if you want to add more functions, we need to create more functions we need to create more functions more functions. So maintaining more functions in the project is more difficulty. So maintenance is very difficult because of functions, meaning, so when the project have the more functions, and maintenance is very difficult, and our data is also globally exposed. There is no security. Globally exposed our data, there is no security, meaning if our data will expose globally, outside people, third party people also can able to access the data. If the people able to access our data, no issue. When issue come, they will change the data, they will manipulate the data, then issue will come. Okay, so data also globally exposed, meaning no security, no security, no security. Okay, these are the some points about the pop language, and these are the some disadvantages. Maintaining is and deployment time also, it will take more time. Okay, these are the some drawbacks in the pop language. Maintenance is very difficult, and for implement project also it will take more time, and there is no security. If you want to add more functions, we need to create more functions. This is there are some drawbacks. There are a lot of drawbacks in the procedure oriented language. What are the example for the procedure oriented language? Like Pascal and COBOL, these are the examples for this one, pop language examples. These are the examples: Fortran, Pascal, C. Okay, these are the examples: Fortran, Pascal. These are the examples for the pop language. So that is the reason Java team, after they introduce concept that is called OOPS, that is Object Oriented Programming Language. Object Oriented Programming Language. Object Oriented Programming Language. Okay. So here we can implement the project using classes and object. We can implement the project using classes and object. Okay, if you want to add more functionalities, we can implement using classes. Okay, and all our classes data we will keep in the objects. all classes data we will keep in we will keep in objects. So that is the reason in every in real time scenarios classes data we can keep in objects. And so here the thing is, in object oriented all the data will be represented in the format of object. All the data will be in all the data will be in object, in the format of object, in the format of object, in the format of object. So maintaining the project is easy compared to pop language, object oriented language. Maintenance is very easy because here everything is functions and all. But in case of object oriented language, everything is the objects. Everything is the objects. Okay. So here maintenance is easy. Maintenance maintenance is easy. Maintenance is easy. Next point is, so here all our data we will be kept in object. Kept in object meaning our data is globally not exposed. Meaning obviously Java is the secure language. Obviously Java is the secure language, globally not exposed. Globally not exposed. Meaning outside people cannot able to access our data. Globally not exposed meaning security. It will provide the security. It will provide the security. It will provide the security. Okay. It will provide the security. And what are the examples for the OOP language? There are a lot of OOP languages will be there. So among those we are going with the Java, and these are the Python. These all are OOP languages. These all are the OOP languages. These all are the OOP languages. Okay. These all are the OOP languages. We are going with the Java. We are going with the Java. I hope you guys are clear with the introduction to OOPs. Introduction to OOPs. In market, there are two types of languages. What are the two types? Pop language and OOP language. Pop language is the old language, and if you want to implement any project by using pop language, so we need to implement using functions. So maintaining functions, more functions is very difficult task. Okay, and one more disadvantage is globally exposed our data, and it is also taking more time meaning obviously cost also high. So these are the some drawbacks we have in the pop language. So that is the reason all the people we are going with the OOP language. This is the I would say old languages, and later they invented OOP languages. And OOP languages we can implement the projects using classes and object. And if you want to more add more functionalities, we can implement using classes. All the classes all the classes data we will keep in the objects. All the data will be in the format of object. Maintenance is very easy. Data globally not exposed. Not exposed, it will provide the security. Examples for, there are number of languages will be there. We are going with the Java. We are going with the Java. Okay. This is introduction to OOPs. The heading is introduction to OOPs. Once you are familiar with introduction to OOPs, and OOPs I can categorize into, there are two parts. These are the two parts. What are the two parts? First part, class and object. Second part is types of variables. And third part is types of methods. And fourth part is types of constructors, access specifiers. And next in the part 2 we have encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So today you guys, your assignment is do the string manipulations assignment by using these all the methods. Length method, can cat method, to uppercase, to lowercase, and to char array, replace method, split method, and comparative methods. Use all these methods, do the manipulations, and take a screenshot of it, and then you can attach in the Surgery portal. So from next session onwards, you can go ahead with the OOPS part 1 and part 2. Okay, so tomorrow we can discuss about class and object, and so on. We can discuss the topics like this. Okay, yeah, very important. All topics are very important. If you miss the one session, you cannot understand the next session. For example, if you miss the this session, you cannot understand this one. If you miss the this one, you cannot understand this one. If you miss the this one, you cannot understand this one. So every topic is interlinked with the previous topic. Every topic is linked with the previous topic. Okay, don't miss the sessions. If you miss the sessions, obviously you cannot understand the next session. Every topic is linked with previous topic. If you cannot understand the OOPS principles, then you cannot understand the obviously Java. Okay, Java is the pillars for the I would say OOPS are the pillars for the Java. If you cannot understand the OOPS principles, obviously you cannot understand the. So from starting to till now, what we learned, like how to write the programs, how we can use the predefined methods and all, and uh, these are the basics for the OOPS, and these are the principles. If you want to understand these principles, you should be very clear with OOPS basics. So this eligible for these principles, the eligibility is OOPS basics. Whoever is good at this basic, then only they can understand OOPS principles. Okay, and here also every topic is linked with previous topic. Every topic is linked with previous topic. So make sure don't miss the sessions, and if you are missing the sessions, and you obviously will not understand, so don't miss the sessions. Okay, so Java is easy when you attend the daily sessions, when you are doing the daily assignments and all. Java is easy. Okay, yeah, that's it guys. So today all of you please do the assignments and upload in the search portal. So this video also will be available in the